Okay, now I showed you how to set up a Google Classroom. Now I'm going to teach you how to add an assignment to your classroom. So what we're going to do, I'm going to pick Mr. Teacher's computer class, the one we just set up, and I am going to go up here to this tab over here. It says Classwork. And this is where I'm going to add, I'm going to create an assignment. Create an assignment. Just like that. And I'm going to put a title in, which will be Planning a Party with Excel. And the instructions are already copied and pasted from before, so I have them nice and quick. It'll tell the students what we're going to do. See the attached. So they're going to create shopping list of 10 guests. I'm going to come down to add. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Google Drive, and I'm going to get the rubric that I want them to have right here, planning a party. So it's the requirements I made, and the students can view that file. You don't want to give them a chance to edit it, or you could just make a copy for each one, but I just want to do view. View is just fine. And now I'm going to add some screenshots of that exact project. So here's sample party budget 1. I'm going to add again from my drive. And I'm going to do the second one, party sample 2. Now this is what they have. And the other thing I want to do is, I said you may shop at ShopRite, Acme, Aldi's, H Mart. What I'm going to do, I am going to put in a website link to ShopRite. Now I just go to ShopRite. And on the top bar, which you can't really see right now, I'm just going to copy the address from the web address bar. Just copied that. And I'm going to go here to add. And see, this says link. You can put website links. This is great for all kinds of resources and research. Here, and I'm going to hit paste. And that's going to add the ShopRite link. Now I have this information here. I want to put a due date. And that due date is going to be March 31st. And we will say 3 p.m. Now, once that's done, what's really cool about this, let's say I have a whole bunch of students listed here. Right now I don't really have any, but if I had a whole bunch of students, I can pick and choose which students I would like to do this assignment. This is a great way for a modified assignment for certain students if you have to modify your work or their work. So just keep that in mind. Now I have everything I need here, and I am going to assign the work. And I can add a topic if I want. But right now I have planning a party. Now when I go back to my stream, I click on here. And there's my assignment. Okay, now I'll show you something else you can do, which is pretty cool. See how this announcement is on the bottom? I might want to move it to the top because I want to remind everybody their slideshows are due. So now it goes up here. Or I might want to move this to the top. So I click here, and I move this to the top. Very good. Now, I'll show you some other things, but right here, right now, this is the rubric, or really the requirements I'm asking the students to follow. Right here. And this here is an image. Comes up of what I'm expecting their first sheet to look like. And here's a second sample of what it could look like as well with the links in it. So it's a good way to demonstrate what your expectations are for your students. And as you can see right now, there are no students assigned and no students have turned it in, just simply because of the fact that there are no students in here. So if I click turn in, over here, it'll list all the students up and down. It'll tell me who turned in and who assigned. And that is how you assign a project or work or questions or project to your students' Google Classroom.